Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 30th tutorial in this course. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about assignment operators. Now, we've seen the equal to assignment operator earlier in this course, and we use it to assign values to variables. And C provides us with a few variants of the equal to assignment operator that allow us to do our work quickly. And we're going to check out some of the variations in this tutorial. As you can see, using code blocks, I've saved a file. I've given it the name assignment underscore operators.c. On line 1 in this file, I have a header file, the stdio.h header file. On line 2, I've declared the main function. On lines 3 and 4, I have my curly braces. So between the braces, I'm going to type in the code. And the program that I'm going to make in this tutorial is going to be very simple. And it's not going to do anything fancy because I just want to illustrate the operators to you. So all we're going to do is declare two variables, and the first one I'm going to call a. Both the variables are going to be integers. So to declare the variable, I'll have to type in int, the keyword that you use to declare integers, and then the name of the variable, which as I said, I'm going to call my variables a and b, and then I'll give a the value 15 using the equal to assignment operator, right? On next line, I'm going to declare another variable. I'm going to call this one b. And if I want to copy the value of a to b, all I have to do is type in b equals a and then put a semicolon to terminate the statement. And the value of a will be copied to b. And if you want to check, you can do that. Use printf, and let's display a message first. Value of b is colon percentage d format specifier because b is an integer, and then type in the name of the variable after the comma symbol. Save the file, and if I click on build and run, you would see that in the output window I get the message value of b is 15. Now if you want to do some simple mathematical calculations such as add b to a and then store the result into b, or subtract a from b and then store the result into b, or multiply a and b and then store the result into b. If you want to do, let's say, if you want to add the value of b to the value of a and then store the result into b, what you'll have to do is, without using assignment operators of course, what you'll have to do is type in b first, then the equal to symbol, then b plus a. So it's not really time consuming, but there is a shorthand way of doing this, right? So that is what we're going to check out in this tutorial. That is what we want to know. So the way you do that is by typing in the addition symbol first and then the equal to symbol, and then type in the name of the variable that has to follow. So in this case it will be a. So you put a semicolon at the end, and if you use printf to see what has happened, let's just see the value of b, percentage d. Of course we would have to use that again, and that's it. If I click on build and run, you would see that on line 2 I get the message value of b is 30, and that's because initially the value of a was copied to b. So b, after the execution of code on line 7, has the value 15, and on line 10 we have this shorthand notation that assigns b the value of the result of the addition of b and a. So b is 15 and a of course is 15. We haven't messed with the value of a till now. So 15 plus 15 is 30, and that's the value that gets stored into b. So this is a shorthand notation, and there are a lot of different kinds of shorthand notations that you can use. Like if you want to subtract the value of a from b and then store the result into b, then all you have to do is change the addition operator here and put the subtraction operator. So if I save the file, I click on build and run, you would see that I get the message value of b is 0, and that's because on line 7 b got the value 15, but on line 10 15 was subtracted from 15 and then assigned to b again. So 15 minus 15 is 0, so that's the value that was put in b, right? And if I change this to multiplication equals equals a, save the file and click on build and run, you would see that value of b is 225, because in this case 15 was multiplied by 15 and the result was stored into b. So 15 times 15 is 225, and that's the value that has been stored in B. And if I change this to division equals A and save the file and build and run, you see that I get the message value of B is 1. And that's because on line 7, B got the value 15. And on line 10, this is equivalent to B equals B divided by A. So 15 was divided by 15. The result of that operation is 1. And that's the value that got stored into B. So these are the four assignment operators. You can, work with the modulus equals operator as well. It would do as you would expect. It would it would be equivalent to B equals B percentage A, right? So that's what the modulus equals operator would do. And you can also, have shorthand notations for the bitwise operators. So, while you're doing regular work, if you're not performing too many calculations in your program, then you would not be tempted to use shorthand notations. But this happens quicker than the regular operation. So this would work quicker than B equals B divided by A. So this is one advantage of using the shorthand notation or assignment operators. And the other thing is that when we will discuss loops, you would see that in loops people use these kind of things a lot, right? So I just wanted you guys to know that you can do such things, so that when I do it while discussing loops with you, you're not alarmed. And I hope this tutorial was informative for you. And I'll see you guys in the next one, in which we'll discuss something important, interesting again. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. In case you have any doubts, just let me know. Put in your messages in the comment section below, and I will try to answer your questions. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.